Okay, in this video we're back in Windows and we're going to install a tool that will help us in managing our CentOS instance that we created. Actually, this tool could be used to SSH into any Linux system that we have remotely. But we're going to go open our web browser here. And the program we want to use is called Putty. Type that in. We're going to search for that. Google. Click on the download link over here. Okay. There's lots of different binaries that you can use and install for this. I want to keep this as simple as possible, so we're going to use the installer here. There's a Windows installer for everything except PuttyTel, which we really don't need. Okay, we'll go ahead and click on that. I'm going to save it. Go ahead and run it. I'm going to accept the defaults here. Next. Next. I'm going to create a quick launch for my purposes. You don't have to. And install. View the README. Finish. I'm not going to read that right now. Okay. And that's really it. Now we'll start up the program. We'll create a profile for, let's change some of the default settings here. One of the things I want to do, you don't have to make these changes. I recommend them. Just the way I operate for, let's see. One of the first options I want to change is I'm going to go to Window Selection, and because I work so much in the Linux terminal, I'm going to make Putty behave very much like the Linux terminal for when I cut and paste. The right extends, the middle pastes, the middle mouse button. And the other thing we want to do is we want to click on Translation and Receive Data Assumed, which character set. We're going to change this to UTF-8 for Unicode. And then we'll go under Connection to Data, where it says Auto Login Username, and we'll type in the username that we want to log in as. Terminal type is fine. Okay. Okay, next we're going to click on SSH, and we're going to, for the preferred SSH protocol version, 2 only. And then we'll go up to Session, highlight default settings, and click on Save. Now we'll create a server profile for our server, and I'll go ahead and type in the raw IP address here. You can use a host name if you have it registered in DNS, or it's in your host table. Connection type is SSH, and I'm going to type in a name. We'll call this server 9, and then I'm going to save this. There we go. Now I can just go to it by double clicking on the name here. It asks me if I want to accept the host key, and we're going to click on yes. And now I'll need to type in my password that's connected to the server. And I'm logged in.